We're back. Fucking Linux drivers, man. I swear. Let me see where we were here. Yeah, so this is insane. I was gonna go look at the continuous space, right? I think there was something weird there. Hey, Captain. Linux drivers are really fun, let me tell you. I highly suggest that you run everything on Linux and have a lot of fun. Wait, so we have actor mean. Is this what was done? Okay, so standard 1 is fine. Now, what about this log standard deviation? Is this what I did before? I'm looking. Okay, so I do actually use this. So why do I not remember this? Self decoder. How does this make any sense? Let me see. Where does this get filled in? You get the mean. Did you add the discretized version like I suggested yet or no? Run time. And PufferLib. Yeah, so this is how this works. What if I just did that real quick? Well, it's an action space. It's a box of 5 things. I can easily just do... Right, I can just easily do this. I just did this. Why should aiming have at least... Well, then you use some sort of threshold cutoff anyways, right? I see, because you use the angle. Can you just instantly shoot in any direction? Is that how the space works? Alright, that's kind of weird. This would do 9. Minus. Wait, 0, 1, 2, 3. So it's divide by 8 and then subtract 4. I think. I don't remember how I did this in the MOBA. Everything I've been reading says clipping your actions before they get into the experience buffer will interfere. I'm not telling you to clip your actions before you put them into the experience buffer. I'm telling you to clip your actions right before you send them back to the environment so that they're valid. I see you did that in step. Where did I do that? That's not before they get into the experience buffer. That's the opposite, right? Oh, I think I did this as single discrete, didn't I? That's silly. Where can I clip before actions get sent to vec code, though? That's... Oh, I see what you mean. Well, yeah, I have an idea on how to fix that. Let me mess with this for now. So this should be fine. This gives you module list, right? TH is usually like Theano or something. Why I always get confused seeing it. Does that library even still exist? Yeah, there's some hacking that's gonna have to be done. Uh, so you make debugging hard on yourself when you don't have the option to pass. Oh, that's old. What the heck? I thought I had that pushed. Up for. Something screwy, because that actually shouldn't get triggered there at all. Man, this shouldn't really be this screwy though, like Majoko works. I'm also, to be fair, have we tested multi-discrete lately? Okay, I'll have to do that more formally later. It's gonna take too long. Let me think what else I can try. Check visually. Yeah, I've watched a couple of his videos. They don't really do anything. And it's like, look, this is numerical. You can see it's numerical. I bet. No, it's not a TNH policy. If the internet cuts out again, by the way, I'm just gonna go to the gym and come back in the afternoon. And I'll have to fix the stupid whatever it is. I am gonna spend some time on this though today. I went for a hard run this morning. I had to use TNH originally. You don't need to do either of those things. You literally can just use Relos. You're focusing on the wrong things there. Okay, so let's keep it like this, and then where's this numems get set to 256? Because I know this is 256. Yeah, exactly. It's not like you relu or whatever. Where's the 256 like M's per worker thing get set? Is it in main somewhere? Oh. 12 times 8. Wait, 512 times 8 is 4096. It should be. Ah, but then you have 2 agents. It's good. Yeah, clip fracks exploded already there as well. Yeah, that's insane. Jobs. Yeah, so that just means your thing's wrong, basically. Like this is not like we like some subtle thing. This is something's completely and utterly broken, and I will find it. And then it's gonna work. Simple as that. Welcome, folks, on Twitch. We're debugging a really cool environment, actually. It will be very cool once we have policies training submitted by Captain. It's this physics arena shooter thing. First puff run. Very nice first environment contributed as well. Eh. I'm out here with first M being like, can I get 4 tiles in a row? Yeah, we got some policies trained on yours though. Shapes. If the shapes of the losses are wrong, then something's terribly wrong, because this is not like, I don't think he messed with this script. This is like Puffer's clean PufferL script. One of the really nice things about doing all this around Puffer is like the core train script. This is tested on everything, right? So unless it's like some obscure feature of like continuous actions that doesn't get tested very often, it should just be perfectly good. Let me see. Though now that I'm looking at it, why is this new log prob? Hold on. Now that I've just said that. Oh, yeah, because it's just not reshaped. That's fine. Well, but yeah, it is a weird continuous action thing, but oh, hold on. Wait. I might just be about to eat the words there. They're actually, yeah, this might actually just be the untested portion. Hold on. New log prob dot shape. No, we're good. Yeah, because it gets flattened, right? They get flattened. So each action gets treated independently, which should be fine. So then the question is, how do they change this much? Like, I do have to go pretty soon. 0003. Yeah, that's totally fine. Actually, hold on. Data policy. This should be the same. Right? These should be the same because it hasn't even done an update yet. So this should be 0. Why is this shape 64? Oh no, that's fine. Sample some logics. Push to fix, so basically any C compiler from the last half decade should build it out. Very good. That is what we would like. If action is none, dot sample. This should be deterministic though, shouldn't it? Kyung says this works on Majoko though. This does not look right to me at all either. Oh wait, no, because you're selecting the action. No, but that still can't be right. Wait, what the heck is up with these actions, man? Hold on. Hello? Is that my OG code generating those actions? I'm very confused. Where are these coming from? They shouldn't be like discrete like this. If they're continuous, they're supposed to be continuous. In 64. Is this my, I don't know. Oh, well that's catastrophic. Yeah, that's completely catastrophic. I don't know how that's possible because we had Majoko in here. Can't be D-type. So we just do. Yeah, this works. There we go. Let's definitely fix that in Puffer later today. Congratulations on being the first contributor to legitimately hit one of my bugs. To be fair, you're the first person submitting a full continuous environment. Do you get a cookie? I don't know, I'll mail you some puffer stickers if you want. Where are your charts? Is this it? What metric do I look at, Captain? Where's your Wanbei? Can you relink your Wanbei? Hmm. We're gonna render this real quick and then I'm gonna go to the gym. Ugh. And let it train a little bit. Is there like a penalty for firing shots? Well, I mean, it's not guaranteed that that was the only bug, right? But we caught a major one. I'm just gonna send this to you like this for now, and I will merge this to Puffer later today. Oh no, but if I get a controller, then I'm gonna download like Elden Ring or something, and nothing's gonna get done. It's bad enough that I got Baldur's Gate after NeurIPS, but I'm 2/3 done with that, so. They do not like firing shots anymore. Look at that, they trained to not fire anything. Kinda hard with the twin stick. Um, is it? I'll help you with that stuff. Let's get you some policies first. That's the main thing. I think you're gonna be a lot happier when you have some cool policies. That's usually the thing that takes a little bit of effort. We also doubled your train speed, so Env is gonna need some speed work, but I can help with that. If I see profile that safe array function, and all the time is in that safe array function, I'll have some words for that. Is it fixed? Well, one thing is definitely fixed. I told you that I cut the mini batch size in half. You had it at 64K. I have on BDEP. Is that a Ligma or something? Whenever anyone types something I don't understand in chat, I just assume it's gonna be a Ligma. Because YouTube and Twitch. Box 2D is 80% plus. There might be some caching and stuff we can do, we'll see. Dojo. What is that? What's this? I don't know what this is. 800K SPSMC. Only benchmark on us. So I mean, check Python overhead. You don't see the messages because you're on Twitch. You see them on my screen though, right? You see the symbol on screen, right here? That's why I have the chat. Look at that, they just decide to stop firing completely. Interesting. Distance traveled goes up. Bad hyperparams. Well, you're gonna have to redo the sweep now, right? So let me tell you how to redo your sweep so that you can start on this before, maybe while I'm at the gym. So here's the thing. If I just grab one of your policies. What's this? What are you doing? We're currently trying to get some policies working on this new reinforcement learning environment submitted by Captain, who is right here on the Twitch messages. Yeah, Captain, get rid of VF coefficient. Just leave this at the default 0.5 or whatever. Leave max grad norm alone at like 0.5. Don't touch that. Just sweep these. Just sweep these to start, and then reward components are the other ones. That makes a big difference. So if you want to add the settings, if you want to add bindings to your reward, like component weights, you can do that. But if not, just sweep these four for now, and you'll probably get something. Thank you to our resident advertiser here, Bet. Yes, you can help the project for free just by starring it on GitHub. It really does help me out a ton. All the work I do is full-time, it's free and open source, and all this stuff on Puffer. So go ahead and start the repo. Gotta feed the Puffer. You can also try out all of our environments on puffer.ai and join the Discord if you want to get involved in dev. It's interesting the distance travel goes up. How do I run eval with your version? Is it just that mode eval? Where are your checkpoints, man? Checkpoints. It doesn't seem to actually do anything here. Oh. Well, that's something. I think it's frozen. Frozen at 130 mil. But is this the right one? $17.25. What time is it on this? I can't see, my camera's over this. 13:16. So probably, I don't think it's actually saved this model, unfortunately. There's nothing else in here, Bet. Well, that should probably be fixed. It should save without training completing. Yeah. We just use the Puffer script. It's easier. I have all this type of stuff taken care of for you. That's fine. People like to try to customize stuff, and then, you see, maybe I actually thought about some of these things. Filling disk space. There's an interval. There is an interval param capped, and you can set how often it saves. Okay, so this run is dead here. It's not doing stuff, but yeah, you can see like whatever it's doing, it's moving around and such. I sent you the diff. Cut your mini batch in half. Sweep just these params I told you to sweep these, like these four, and you should probably be able to find something decent. I'm gonna head to the gym. I'll be back later in the afternoon, and I will be around then to help you if that sounds good. Leave it 16 is fine. The sensitive ones, it's learning rate, and then these three. Alright. I sent you the diff as well for clean puffer. I will merge that to I'll make, because this is your fork or your repo, so I will apply that to our main repo shortly. But yep, definitely thanks for the environment. I will try to continue helping you fix this later if you don't already have policies just run the sweep by then. See if you can get us some checkpoints to look at in case there's like non-trivial behavior to examine. and we'll go from there.